Another weekly random singer here. I made a compilation of all my neck cracks, back cracks, shoulder cracks, toe cracks, ankle cracks, foot cracks, tailbone cracks, sacrum cracks, all the cracks you can think of, all into one video just for you guys. Sit back and relax and enjoy all the tingling sensation for your ears. Oh yeah, I'm doing a Q&A next week. If you have any questions, comment below and I will try my best to answer them. So 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Three. Drop. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2,